check. Whoa, 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 whoa. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, damn. Alright, hopefully, we'll avoid the static here. We're back. Living the charmed life. We move to the left. We move to the right. I did not know this, Twinkles. Twinkles, I got the coffee here. I did not know that, women in Saudi Arabia can't drive. Yeah. Alright, that will take the focus off of what's going on here with me and my disliking. Are we on? Yes, we're on, Blush. Alright, that will... Excuse me. Not bad for an old rocker, Twinkles, wouldn't you say? Hey, man, you got the moves, man. What's going on here, man? Where's the outrage over there? I mean, let's take the focus off of here, Crispo. I mean, we have... How could that be? Imagine just men driving on the road. And you know, I mean, we're trying to understand. I mean, you had such an influence on us over here, but yet you don't let women drive. You know, all right, you're over here enjoying the liberties, the freedoms that we have, but yet over there you don't let any women drive the car. Where? I mean, seriously, if I'm wrong, correct me. Correct me if I'm wrong. I just want to know. I mean, coming up on 555 here. I mean, we got the worldwide internet here and Facebook and all this kind of connections going on here. And you've been here longer than Eminem and longer than Ace Frehley and Elvis. I mean, Jimmy Carter. How come? In other words, if I moved over there, Twinkles can't drive a car, and she's right here, by the way. She's right here. 333.